Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to play Heat Wave, doing the Who's version of it. Originally by Martha Reeves and the Vandellas in 1963. The Who covered it in 66. Guitar-oriented version, and then there's other versions, they're just in different keys. So if you know this one, you can probably play the other ones. But I'm going to do a quick playthrough and then we'll break it down. Alright, that's basically all there is to it, just rearranging those different sections and whatnot. Starts off with an A chord here, and Pete Townshend basically plays it this way: thumb over the bass note here, so the 5th fret of the E string. You can play the A string open, hits the octave, and the other octave is 7th fret on this D string. So you got these 3 strings. There you go. And then use your middle finger, hit the 6th fret on the G string, and then you can use your index finger to bar the 5th fret on these 2 strings. So there you go. Should sound like that. And then the whole rhythm of this song is built around going between the 3rd and then the 4th on here. So just use your pinky finger. You know, you're getting the 6th fret and the 7th fret here, but the 3rd and the 4th notes in the scale. And so the strumming pattern is. Alright, and then from that you go, well, this isn't really played by the guitarist, it's played by the bassist or, you know, whoever in this song, but you can play as the guitarist pretty easily. So when you're done with that, then you go to the E note, which is the 7th fret of the A string. Slide it up to the 9th fret, and then go back down to the 7th, and then hit the 9th fret on the E string. So you go. Okay, and then this is when you start getting into the verses, and so you start off with a B minor chord. Pete Townshend plays it, you know, with his thumb over. He's got like huge hands, so he can kind of get away with it. I bar it like this. Either way, just play B minor chord. Then you move it up to what is that? C sharp minor, I guess. And then you go to an F sharp minor. So then you play it with this kind of rhythm. And so then after you've played that twice through, you go back to that B minor. Then you go back up to that C sharp minor. Then you go down to D bar chord. And then up to an E bar chord. Starting from the top. And then you go back into that intro riff. Oh shit. Alright, so that's all there is to it. Pretty easy, huh?